Hi guys, how was everyone today? So today is Friday, September the 9th, and we are now officially one day out from the big day. So I just left the car wash and Marshall's. I just to go pick up a moose, and it's Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. So, and that's it. And then I end up finding, which I wasn't looking for, but I am running low, which I normally get mine from Amazon, but they had it right there. It is the pink stuff, right? That pink stuff in a big tube one. And this was like for $5.99 for about, how many ounces? I don't know. The big jar. I don't have my glasses. I'm not gonna stream. And then this is the, oops, just fell off. This is the moose that I'm wearing. Gonna use this, see, hopefully it works. I'm actually on my way home because my mom and babe is at home, the house, so I'm gonna head over there. And today's Friday, so we're going to do today's our rehearsal, so we're gonna have that at 5 o'clock, so that should be cool. I wish I could vlog, but I know I'm not gonna promise. I'm gonna try to put it in here, but it might not happen. Just saying. So because I have like my mom and I have like, we have some little things to do. We haven't seen each other like, I know it sounds crazy, but we haven't seen each other like almost 2 weeks. I think it is now. Just because I was kind of under the weather, and I don't want to get her sick because she is actually walking me down the aisle tomorrow. So I haven't seen her in 2 weeks. So I know she's like, you know, when your mom comes to like come over, it's like she gives you like goodies. So she like made me like home cook. Not like I can't cook, but she makes like the special dish that I like. So, and I'll probably share that when I get home. See, today, blessed to be marrying my king, the man for me. Just blessed to, you know, my mom and my family and my loved ones are going to be there tomorrow to witness it. That's all I'm just so happy for. Like, we've had a crazy year, and to know that everybody who I want to be there is there, I love it. And not to say, no, let me don't say that, because this might come out and say, if you did and you weren't invited, and put it like that. It's not I don't care about you. It was just a select few. It was just a select few that I decided to invite, because we're still living in crazy times, and I just didn't really want the big, humongous hula la 150. That's not for me. So, you know, don't feel offended if you wasn't invited. It's nothing personal. It's just what we gotta do. So I'll put that out there, because I feel like this video is gonna go. Never know, it goes into someone's ears like, oh, she didn't think I was important. I didn't say that. I won't say what exactly how I really feel, but we'll just do that for another time. Like, yeah, we'll leave for another time. All right, guys, so I am literally 2 minutes away from home. So I'm going to get inside, and I'll get back to you once I'm inside. Hey, guys, so I am back home, and I'm about to get something to eat. I'm starving. I'm not starving. I'm just hungry. It's now 12:30. We're gonna leave here around 3, about almost 4ish, 3:50, 4ish. Baby's actually sleeping. He just worked last night. My mommy is here. She made me some nice, yummy food. And I'm gonna make you guys dizzy, I'm sorry. Right, guys, I'm going to have my yummy food. I don't even know how to even describe this. It's just Caribbean food. It's just like corn and all kind of vegetables, yams, bananas, boiled bananas. I don't know if you guys know, like tomatoes, carrots. It's just so yummy. And it has like codfish in there, sawfish. I don't know what it be. And then I'm also drinking this. Shout out to my makeup artist. She put me onto this sparkling berry juice, strawberry juice beverage. So I'm having that. So I'm about to dive in. Hi guys. So I'm all dressed now and all changed off. I know this vlog is probably all over the place, but I'm actually at this it's about, what time is it? It's about 3:20 rather, and we're at the cemetery, which sounds weird. Like, you doing a cemetery? Yeah, I went to come to see. I went to cemetery with my mom and babe, because tomorrow's of course the big day, and my grandmother. We had to come and see my grandmother. I'm not sure if I had time tomorrow, so today I'm gonna go see my mama. So I just decided to see her today because I know tomorrow's gonna be crazy. So I'm gonna take you along. I'm gonna take you along to go see my grandma. All right, guys. So I'm out the car. Mom, baby's back there. I'm gonna come and chit chat with her for a minute before. Oh, if anybody knows me, coming here is one of my weak spots. I get so I get so crazy coming here. Every time I come here, it's like crazy, like really crazy. So I'm gonna talk to her for a bit, and I'm gonna introduce you to her. So my grandma is here, and then my grandaunt, which is her sister, is there, and this is where she is. So we're gonna chit chat for a bit. All right, guys. I just had my little look at the sun. I just had my little chat, and this was the best I think I've ever had since losing her. Like normally I'm boo-hooing and I'm crazy and my eyes are puffy. It was just a little watery, but it was really good. And now babe and ma is coming to come say hey to grandma, aka mama. Come say hi to the vlog, babe. Yeah, everybody know this is babe.
Hey guys.
All right. And of course my mom is not, she's not that vloggish, so she probably won't come in the picture. You gotta come say hi to my vlog. I'm going. This is the vlog. This is Miss World's mommy. This is my mom, guys. Say hi, mom.
Hi.
That's my mom. Hi, guys. So I'm back home. Rehearsal went so well. We're gonna chat for a bit. My kitchen. So rehearsal went so well today. I was so happy on how how everything played out. So we just got back home, took a shower, just got relaxed a little bit. What do I need to do? Oh, I just steamed my veil. I put a picture of it right there. That's my veil. So I just steamed that. And so, yeah, so like I was saying, I just steamed my veil. And in the morning, I'm going to finish getting my hair done. It's like halfway done now. And I'm just playing with my hair clip for the wedding, which I'm going to wear that. So I was playing around with that for a bit. And that's it. So I'm going to close off this vlog. Oh, of course, see? That's my luck. It falls out. I'm going to close off this vlog. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. And stay tuned. Tomorrow's wedding day. And I will be vlogging. See you soon, guys.